For many small business owners, freelancers, and project-based professionals, managing finances can feel like navigating a complex maze. Invoices need to be sent, expenses tracked, payments collected, and reports generated, all while focusing on the core business. This is where accounting software like FreshBooks steps in, designed to simplify these essential tasks. But for new users or those looking to maximize its potential, a common question arises. Does FreshBooks offer classes or structured training? The answer, like with many modern software solutions, is nuanced but ultimately positive. While FreshBooks may not offer traditional, in-person classes in the university sense, it provides a comprehensive suite of learning resources, a robust partner program, and a supportive ecosystem that functions very much like a set of structured learning opportunities. From a project management expert's perspective, this approach is highly effective in ensuring users can quickly become proficient and leverage the software to its full extent. Let's break down how FreshBooks supports user education. 1. Self-paced learning resources, your on-demand knowledge hub. FreshBooks understands that its users are busy professionals who need flexibility. Therefore, a significant portion of its classes comes in the form of extensive self-paced learning resources directly available on their platform and through various online channels. Knowledge Base and Help Center. This is your first stop for answers. FreshBooks has a comprehensive, searchable knowledge base filled with articles, step-by-step guides, and FAQs covering every feature and common scenario. Think of it as a meticulously organized textbook for FreshBooks. Video tutorials. For visual learners, FreshBooks offers a wealth of video tutorials. These short, digestible videos walk you through specific tasks, from creating your first invoice to setting up recurring expenses or running financial reports. You can find these on their official YouTube channel and within their Help Center. Webinars. Live and Recorded. FreshBooks frequently hosts webinars on various topics, including getting started with the software, specific feature deep dives, and general small business accounting best practices. Many of these are recorded and made available on demand, allowing you to learn at your convenience. Blog and Resource Hub. Their official blog and dedicated resource hub are packed with articles on using FreshBooks effectively, alongside broader topics relevant to small business finance, such as tax tips, cash flow management, and best practices for invoicing. These articles often include practical examples and tips that serve as mini-lessons. Classroom material. For educators, interestingly, FreshBooks offers classroom material specifically designed for educators to teach students about real-world business skills and basic accounting using FreshBooks. While not directly for end users, this demonstrates their commitment to structured learning and provides a glimpse into how they approach education for their platform. 2. Certified partner programs. Expert-led guidance. Beyond the self-serve options, FreshBooks has a robust accounting partner program. This is a crucial element for anyone seeking more in-depth or personalized classes. Here's how it works. Certified accountants and bookkeepers. FreshBooks partners with accounting professionals who are experts in using the software. Many of these certified partners offer their own training programs, often in a one-on-one or small group setting. These sessions can be tailored to your specific business needs and can cover everything from basic setup to advanced accounting principles within FreshBooks. This is as close as it gets to traditional classes for FreshBooks users, often delivered by highly experienced professionals. Collaborative accounting certification. FreshBooks offers an online, self-paced certification program specifically for accounting professionals. While this isn't directly for small business owners, it ensures that the accountants and bookkeepers who support FreshBooks users are well-versed in the platform and its best practices. This indirectly benefits FreshBooks users by providing them with a network of knowledgeable experts. 3. Community and support. Learning through interaction. While not formal classes, the FreshBooks community and support channels also serve as valuable learning environments. Responsive customer support. FreshBooks is known for its excellent customer support. If you encounter an issue or have a question, their support team can guide you through the process, effectively providing a real-time, personalized mini-lesson. Online forums and groups. While less formalized, online communities where FreshBooks users interact and share tips can be a great source of learning. In-app guidance. FreshBooks itself is designed with user-friendliness in mind, often providing in-app tooltips, guided tours, and contextual help to lead you through new features or processes.